Hello everybody, welcome back! It seems like the movie industry has already overcome the challenges caused by the pandemic and continues to amaze its fans with exciting news. Fortunately, the last week was full of pleasant and wonderful events related to our favorite actors, films, and TV series. Right now, you have a chance to discover the most important news, so take your seat if you don't want to miss them. The fans of the upcoming Dune movie were glad to see its first official trailer released on the 9th of September. The film adaptation of Frank Herbert's science fiction novel is directed by Denis Villeneuve, and its star cast includes talented and charismatic Timothée Chalamet, Zendaya, Josh Brolin, Jason Momoa, and Dave Bautista. The movie will tell us a story about Paul Atreides, a young nobleman who travels to the dangerous planet Arrakis, aka Dune, together with his father. It's a home of dangerous giant worms and freemen, indigenous people of the planet. According to the latest news, the movie is expected to be released in December 2020. IGN has tweeted a post informing that the popular TV series Walking Dead will end in 2022 after a final 11th season. The interesting fact is that the tweet has been deleted a few moments later. Right now, we know that the final season will include 24 episodes. Also, in 2023, the world will see a new TV series about the adventures of Daryl Dixon and Carol Pelletier, which will become a spin-off of the original story. Besides, the authors are working on a movie about Rick Grimes and the new season of Fear the Walking Dead. On the 8th of September, the fans of the awesome Mandalorian TV series have discovered new photos showing the reunion of Mando and cute baby Yoda. Entertainment Weekly has posted a tweet which includes several newly released images. Also, Jon Favreau has announced that the new season won't focus only on the adventures of Din Djarin and his little friend, but will show the audience the broader story. Jon Landau, the producer of Avatar 2, shared some photos showing us the film cast preparing for the filming of underwater scenes. The official Avatar Twitter account informs that the pictures have been taken on Hawaii. Although the information about the movie's plot hasn't been revealed yet, probably we should expect to see the underwater world of Pandora. On the 6th of September, Christopher McQuarrie, the film director of Mission Impossible 7, posted a new photo on his Instagram account. The picture shows Tom Cruise preparing for his breathtaking stunt, which included driving a motorcycle off a ramp before opening a parachute. Moreover, there's also a video showing this awesome feat and proving that the actor is often close to death during the shooting process. Remember that the new film about the adventures of Ethan Hunt is going to be released in November 2021. Recently, Oscar has announced new requirements, which will go into operation in 2024. There will be 4 criteria, and the film will need to meet at least 2 of them to get the desired Best Picture award. The criteria include such requirements as having at least 1 member of underrepresented race or ethnic group as a lead or important supporting actor. In addition, the majority of new criteria are related to employing women, LGBTQ+, and people with physical or cognitive disorders. Considering it, at least 30% of actors and the members of film crew should belong to these groups. According to Oscar, these requirements were developed to decrease race and gender discrimination in the film industry. Collider magazine reports that the sequel to famous comedy Borat, starring Sacha Baron Cohen, has already finished its filming. Probably we'll see Borat, guessing he is famous due to the events shown in the original film. That's why he'll be trying to disguise himself to interview people without much ado. Unfortunately, there's no official information about the release date, but some sources say that we'll be able to enjoy the movie before the new elections in the USA. Jensen Ackles is almost ready to say goodbye to the Supernatural TV series. Nonetheless, the actor has announced that he's allowed to take away the famous black Chevrolet Impala. This car is extremely popular with the fans of Supernatural, and it's just great that it'll get in good hands after the final season of this awesome show. That's all for now. And what do you think about the mentioned events? Please stay with us to discover more exciting movie news next week.